NASA is aiming to sustain a human presence on the moon within the next decade. To achieve this, a scalable, long-duration habitat is critical. The Office of Lunar Affairs has been hard at work designing, prototyping, and testing a lightweight habitat for the lunar environment. Using a layered covering inspired by the ISS beam module and supporting it with a rigid skeleton made of carbon fiber and aluminum, we have designed a habitat capable of supporting long-duration crewed missions to the lunar surface. And now to meet the Office of Lunar Affairs team members.
I am Andrew Tomlinson. I was responsible for the solid mechanics calculations.
I am Silas Anderson. I was responsible for leading the manufacturing efforts for this project.
Hello, my name is Eric Molina, and my role is the backup plan, so I have contributed piece by piece throughout this process.
My name is Cole Curtis, and I'm responsible for the depressurization simulation and customer relations.
I'm Calvin Rampy. I led the project planning, the structural concept design, the CAD design, and the project prototyping.
The Office of Lunar Affairs is excited to present the Hawk's Nest, a lightweight, scalable lunar habitat.
We are NASA spacecraft.